And then this position, let's change it again. The vertices here might need this part. We're gonna have to push it down a little bit. Select this vertex here and add FDR times R. Select the control point and press it down a little bit. Convert to editable polygon, so this ratio up here is a little bit longer. OK, ring selection here. Add a card edge line on top. And I'm going to pick this side and I'm going to cut the corner of this side by E. Too big. So we don't cut the corners. Select this boundary, seal it. After sealing, select this side and insert it. One more time. And then we'll deal with it over here. Next side. Pick one after the other. It's gonna cave it in like this. And then choose this side. Similar selection. Press Ctrl加 backspace to remove it. Select this face and insert it. Zoom it in the top view. Go to this side here. OK. And then down here. Choose this side. This border seals it. And then select it. Let's insert it. One more time. Then cave him in. Let me have a look. Choose this side to collapse. And then choose this side. Press Ctrl加 backspace to remove similar selections. And then choose this side. Give it a little scale. And then it has a different number of sides on the top and bottom. You should actually scale it up a little bit more. And then we insert it again. Get here. And after that, up here should be. Choose both sides to collapse. It caved in here, too. Collapse here. Collapse here. Collapse here. There's an extra edge. So let's go back. Return to such collapse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go back one more time. So this is where it collapses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give him a circular shape. When it's round, give it to it. A line here. Give it a little spin. Or rotate it this way. Give it alignment to this center. And then we scale it. Insert it in again. OK? I look down there. Basically, you just need to get it right. The top and bottom are slightly different. We'll change it later. You're gonna have to meet this guy down here. Choose these two faces and bridge them. So there's a hole in the middle that's been recessed. Is that right? Select the inside ring selection. Connect army or edges. Pull it over to this side. Pull it here. Circle again and select arm or edges. Okay? No problem. And then up here it's a little awkward. A crooked change of the line. I don't want this side. Reconnect. Not on this side. To connect it like this. It's not so awkward. No more of that over here. Rejoin. This connects here. It's a little less awkward this way. It can also keep up with the next. Give a turbo smooth you see. 2 iterations. Very perfect. Is that right? This is because I didn't see it properly. So here. Not deal with. I did it all over again, so I wasted a little more time. While you were doing it, don't be sloppy like me. Make sure you have a good look before you do it. This will save some. No need for trouble. Okay, so this thing is done. So what's next? That's it. I wonder if you can copy one down here. Like can also. So let's see. Is it the same as the one above? Let's line it up a little bit. Then take a look. He's basically a match for this one. And then this thing. This thing needs to be at the bottom. Select this edge and select the loop and scale it again. Use this axis. Let it line up a little bit. Okay? And then here we have a circular selection and a card edge. Get stuck here. Make it hard. It has one such mark. There's a hard edge. You can give it a little push up here. Push a little more. Make it bulge. Don't recede. I don't want to see it anymore. Okay? And then down here. This one needs to be pulled up a little bit. Select all vertices. Add FFDR by R to select the control point. Pull it over here. The proportions are a little off. That's how it makes sense. Get here. Let's draw him a rectangle. Draw a rectangle and line it up here. Let's just line it up here. Convert to editable splines. Select all vertices. Right-click to turn corner. You can pull it down a little bit. Then choose the vertices here. Select the vertices. And then optimize it a little bit. So let's optimize this. And then we pick these 2 vertices for it. Select 2 vertices, right-click turn to Bezier corner point, and then push this vertex in. Press F and pull in a little bit, and this one pulls in a little bit. And then the vertices on this side are going to go in a little bit. Is equal to the top bigger, the bottom is smaller. This corner goes out a little bit. Okay, it's about this radian. We need to remove this edge. Or take this vertex a little bit further. Come this way and put it here. Then give it a turning command. Minimum. And then select the axis. Pull it this way. That's about it. I want it to line up with this side down here. It's like a little bit smaller. Whatever. Give it a transparent material. It almost makes sense. Okay, then what? Let's turn it into an editable polygon. Before converting to editable polygons, choose this line. Reduce the number of interpolating steps. Reduce to 3. So it's going to have fewer segments. Then convert to editable polygons. Let's take a look at this inside. If it makes sense. It didn't add up. A line. It's smaller inside. This whole side. It should be about the same size as the face. And after that, and then choose this side. This side. This side. At this side and cut the corners. Cut angle measure 0.5. Or it could be bigger. Give one a try. Let's smooth it out with the NURBS. It's not so obvious here. Let's pick these lines. Pull it in a little bit. Let's set the stream here. Let's make this curve a little bit more pronounced. And then we go to this side. Select side, select side. Press down a little bit. Pull it up a little bit here. Pull it tighter. Make this a little more visible. Then inside. Select this edge ring and select another card edge line. Top and bottom. Select this edge and then ring select to connect the two card edges. Shrink a bit. Isn't that more obvious? If you give NURBS R times, the smoothing effect will be even more. And then, this position is done.